Alaikum, students. Okay, so I am doing this video only for aspirants, those who are preparing for CAT 21, and maybe अगर आप B school में हो and if you're a little bit demotivated, this might help you. So I've been talking to a lot of students around, and what I got to know is basically, sir, these are very tough times, and we are not motivated to do anything. बड़ा demotivation आता है, पता नहीं चलता क्या करना है and all that stuff, right? Which is I completely understand and I agree also. But अगर हम एक बात देखें, and what we need to understand कि यार ये जो time है, we will never get these kind of times. I mean, with respect to lockdown and all that, right? Definitely, I would love to see these kind of shitty times again with respect to Corona, because it's not doing any good to anybody, right? But if I only talk about a particular janta, which is aspirant, those who are going for CAT or any other exam, or probably those who are doing an MBA. The only thing that I want to understand or want to tell you guys is that if you look at it from a different perspective, it's a golden opportunity for you. I understand demotivation है, I understand मन नहीं करता है पढ़ाई करने का, चीज़ें बड़ी मोनोटोनस हो चुकी है, Zoom पे पढ़ाई हो रही है, पता नहीं चलता, वो एक पर्सनल टच मिस हो गया, वो इंटरेक्शन मिस हो गया. But understand this यार, it's a Pareto rule. 80% जनता is going through this entire issues, but there must be, or there has to be 20% जनता, those who are hustling, those who are working hard, those who are determined, those who are बड़े कन्विक्शन के साथ अपना मेहनत कर रहे हैं और अपने करियर के लिए फोकस करते हैं. You know what? I spoke to students and I get to know that those who are now giving CAT again. I spoke to them and I get to know that, and students, this is what they tell me कि sir, पूरा लास्ट ईयर 2020 पूरा लास्ट ईयर हमारा सोशल मीडिया पे गया, and we are repeating CAT again. कुछ बच्चों ने अच्छा काम करा, they are repeating for top notch B school. Some people from MBA colleges और अच्छा खासा जो B schools इंडिया का top 15-20, they say that यार पूरा साल Zoom पे चला गया, मजा नहीं आया MBA का, वो MBA का जो था ना एक स्पार्क वो नहीं मिला. That's still okay मेरे ख्याल से, because understand this, these are the situations which we are, I mean, even if we want, we cannot really control them, because this is not in our hand. We are common people, right? हम नहीं control कर सकते इसको. But at the same time, I want to tell you this, that ये जो एक साल होगा या 2 साल होगा, this is going to impact your career eventually. Because understand this, अगर आपका अच्छा खासा B school नहीं होता है, maybe you can tell this to your parents कि what, कोरोना के टाइम पे मेरा मन नहीं लगा इसलिए मेरा B school नहीं हुआ. ठीक है, आप वो 1-2 साल 3 साल वो एक probably हमारा एक excuse बन सकता है. Imagine 10 साल के बाद when you are actually getting interviewed by one of the a top notch middle management guy or maybe a top management guy, you cannot give them this kind of reaction or this kind of excuses कि sir, what, मैंने अपने कोरोना के टाइम पे MBA करा था, तब तो मन नहीं लग रहा था, तो अच्छा बिल्कुल नहीं जा पाया, तो आप मुझे ये पोजीशन दे दो. No, you cannot say that. You getting my point? Because ये चीजें impact करेगी आगे जाके. So if today you are appearing for CAT, and if you believe that you genuinely worked hard, that's okay. But थोड़ा भी अगर 1-2% का भी चांस है कि आप थोड़ा रिकैप करके देखो कि यार मैंने एग्जैक्टली क्या करा CAT 2020 में, या फिर पूरे साल में मैंने क्या करा, मैं कितना प्रोडक्टिव था, मैं कितना इफेक्टिव था, ये जानने की जरूरत है. बिकॉज what, I'll tell you something, जब चीजें सुधरती है, when things get better, they get better like this. You never know, the vaccine drive might work out for us, and there might be a mass vaccination. We might have those old days back in the month of December, or we probably might have them back in the first quarter of 2022, and everything is going to be fine, and everything looks beautiful, and it is going to be good. There is no doubt about it. It's inevitable. Things are going to get better. It's inevitable. There is no doubt about it. ये अच्छा होने ही वाला है आगे जाके. जब तुम पीछे मुड़ के देखोगे और तुमको लगेगा अरे यार 2 साल मैंने कुछ नहीं करा, फिर वो तुमको खलेगा, फिर वो चुभेगा. और होता कैसे है ना, ऐसे जितनी चीजें हमारी ऐड ऑन हो जाती है जिंदगी में, लाइफ में, कि ये नहीं करा, मैंने वो नहीं करा, ये नहीं कर पाया, शायद ये मैं कर सकता था, एक्चुअली इसका एक बैगेज बन जाता है. और कहीं ना कहीं एज ए इंसान हम अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट या डीमोटिवेट हो जाते हैं जिंदगी में इवेंचुअली, राइट? I have seen this with people. That's the reason I'm telling you. So guys, if you are appearing for CAT 2021, I don't really want you to be in that 80% का pool. अगर आप 80% के pool में हो, आप समझो कि आज मैं जो करूँगा, because my present activities gonna impact my future. So get out of that comfort zone. Get out of that zone which is not helping you to grow in life. अगर आप B school वाले बंदे हो, आप कह सकते हो कि ठीक है वो spark नहीं है, पूरा B school हमारा एक साल Zoom पे चला गया, and I do understand, you know, how it feels. That's absolutely done understood. But then at the same time, you also need to understand कि ठीक है. You need to also at the same time need to focus on your concepts, you know, that know-how, because corporate में brand can work for a couple of years, but at the end of the day, those know-how only going to help you. So I'm not trying to say which is good and which is bad. I am nobody to say that. The only thing as a mentor that I want to tell is that if you are in that 80%, you know, आपको हमें तो पता है वो turtle and rabbit का story, right? So don't get settled, you know, don't be in your comfort zone. Come out of that comfort zone and work 3 times 4 times harder than your competitors, or work extraordinarily harder than you have ever worked for your career. That's the only thing that I'm doing, because होता है ना कि we regret, we repent only when things are done and dusted, right? So again, I'm nobody to advise you guys. I just thought, you know, probably after speaking to so many students and after conducting these free mentorship sessions, this is what I could understand. I just thought, you know, probably I can share, you know, 2 cents with everybody. So I would love to do such kind of videos, and I hope this helps you. And I hope this helps you. तुम्हारा टारगेट ये होना चाहिए कि भाई मैं उस 80% जनता में नहीं आऊँगा, मैं अपने आप को थोड़ा सा इंप्रूव करके उस 20% जनता में जाऊँगा जो हासिल करती है डेली बेसिस पे. एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी टफ. I know it's going to be extraordinarily tough. It's going to test your patience, no doubt about it. But याद रखना एक चीज, if you want a better future and if you want a future that you have always dreamt of, guys, थोड़ा sacrifice बनता है, थोड़ा सा hard work बनता है. And you know what? When it hurts, in a real sense, that's where you need to push a little bit more, because that's where you gonna kiss the glory. When it hurts, don't give up. When it hurts, move ahead, because you're about to kiss the glory. So I hope मेरा ये जो भी था, I'm just doing a little bit trial and error to give you a little bit idea. So your response can only tell me whether, you know, I should be making such kind of videos or not. So would love to see a lot of comments on this video. और जो भी बोला दिल से बोला, don't mind, किसी की तरफ मैं bias नहीं हूँ. I just thought ये चीज़ें मैं share करूँ, and that's what I've done, right? So the only purpose, the only bottom line यहाँ पे is that all the CAT aspirants, I just want to tell that hustle, work hard. I know the timings, I know these entire times are tough. You know, there are a lot of things going around, but you got to work hard, man, and you got to work hard for yourself. So guys, that's it from my side. Thank you so much. Bye bye.